Okay, so it's that time again where we dive into our ProTrend system trading results. We're going to look at the FX pairs here for these swing trades. I'm also going to show you what are the best US stocks to trade for the ProTrend system, and also if you're spread betting, if you're based in the UK, then these are some of the really good stocks that you might want to consider if you want to trade US shares using the system. So first, let's dive into the ProTrend system results. A little bit of an overview here. Green is for buying, red is for selling. Of course, if you are in an uptrend, you want to be looking for green buy signals on our system and get long the market. If we're in a downtrend, then you want to be looking for red signals from a green candlestick. Okay, so it's an out of the box system. We plug it into our charts here, and here are the live updated trading results. Now you can see on the left hand side here we've got our radar screen, and the list of FX pairs on the left hand side. This is set to a weekly chart, so you can see here euro dollar has been in a weekly uptrend for 6 weeks. It's up 268 pips. Now must point out, if it's green, it's making that amount of pips. If it's red, it's losing that amount of pips. Okay, so you can see before everyone dives in and say, oh, there's lots of greens here. No, we've got 2 reds as well. And that's the reality of trading. You're going to have some losing trades, but the vast majority of the signals here are green. Euro dollar 268 pips. Now you can see it updating here in real time. Now of course you've got to bolt on your position size to work out how much profit you would be making on these trades. Okay, so if you're using a spread betting account, all you got to do, which is really easy, is to just bolt on the pounds per point on that trade. Now euro dollar here, low margin requirements, probably the most traded currency pair. 6 weeks you're up 268 pips. Multiply that by 10, you're up £2,600 in 6 weeks. Okay, a pound a point, you'll be up £268. Now remember, these are trades that have been going on for 6 weeks and you've hardly done anything. You've found the signal, you got into the trade. Here it is in the bottom right hand side. You had a red signal, then you had a green signal. The green signal was for you to get long the market. You've been long 6 weeks. This is live charts and live updates here, guys, and real-time feed. The pound US dollar, 729 pips profit you've had here. This had a buy signal back in here. It's up 729 pips. That's huge. 19 weeks. You wouldn't have to do much. All you got to do is learn how to manage the trade and trail your stop. Okay, dollar yen, we've been in a beautiful short trade. In fact, I beg your pardon, it's actually starting to give us a short signal now, so this is great. So we've got a brand new red short signal. It says 1, of course 1 means the first week, that's why it's starting to signal now. Now if we're using a weekly chart, we need to wait to the end of the week for this to close 1 to confirm the signal. Euro yen, 1,217 pips profit in 16 weeks. What an uptrend that has been. We started to push here, here, here. New buy signals, and a huge buy signal that's up over 1,000 points. Now you multiply that by your position size, and if you did £2 a point on this, you're up £2,400 profit in 16 weeks. Now remember, if you are spread betting this in the UK, the profits are tax free, guys. So make sure that you understand that that is the case when you're using a spread betting account. Dollar Swissie's been absolutely hammered. We had a lovely sell signal on this 6 weeks ago, £360 or points profit here, and moving very nicely to the downside. Pound Swiss is just firing a new short. Pound versus Japanese yen up 1,590. Wow, a big monster trade there. Sterling New Zealand. This has been one of our favourite trades from our scan clubs. It's a volatile market. We've had a beautiful buy signal 23 weeks ago. Beautiful trade. Back to Euro Yen. Dollar CAD, as I said, has been in a big move to the downside. Dollar CAD up 306 pips. Of course, I'm not in every one of these trades, guys. I'm sure our students are and trading these very successfully. Aussie Yen up 511 pips. So you can see huge results. New Zealand CAD, you can see we had a long signal, and now it's back below. Well, it's actually still green, but it's actually back making a little bit of a loss. New Zealand Swissy though is firing away to the downside. 24 weeks we've been 427 pips short. Now this can be life-changing for you guys, because what you're doing here, you are trading these markets and holding down a full-time job. Now I'm going to be using these signals as well as a day trader, but as a swing trader, you know, you want to be in these trades and do less to get the return. So the signals here on the Pro Trading system have been absolutely incredible. Let's now have a little look at some of the US stocks that you could trade using our Pro Trading system. Let's dive into some of these. So I picked a few of the popular ones that a lot of our students use. Now this is Apple here, the top one, of course, very popular stock to trade as a spread bet. We've been long that market from the 27th of the 1st 2023. It's up $49. Okay, so you know, a very nice 490 points here. It's been a beautiful move. Microsoft, 1,000-point move here, guys. Very nice indeed. It's been incredible. Okay, so $250 we got in fact $363, because the system tells you where to buy and where to place your stops. So that's up 1,000 points. If you're doing normal shares in a US equity account, it's up $106 there. Very nice. Tesla, 980 points in the spread betting account. Very nice move indeed. And remember, I'm doing this, the market is closed here in the US. You can see in the FTSE market is updating, still live, because of course the Forex market is open 24 hours a day besides the weekends, unless you're trading cryptos. We've got GM here, General Motors. We've got Meta here. What a move in Meta, guys. Look at that, 1,970. Look at that, absolutely fantastic move. Look at the amount of points you've got here. Nvidia up 292. Look at that lovely buy signal on Nvidia right here. Okay, and here and here and here, these buy signals, look at it explode higher. AI is booming. QCOM, that's up nicely. Well, we just nicely, yeah, nice profit on QCOM. It's not as good as Nvidia. Coin here, this is Coinbase. I'm long this in my SIP, and you could do this in your ISAs and your SIPs as well, guys. And here's Zoom, which has been absolutely battered down. I wanted to show you a market that's up 70 odd points here. That's not like an Nvidia, because obviously that would be very biased. But some of these, you know, not some, but a lot of these markets here are great to trade in SIPs, ISAs, and in a spread betting account. Just look at Nvidia. That's what you dream of. Well, you can certainly have that with our Pro Trading system and get a lot of these trades. So plenty of green on the board. Tech has been very positive indeed. It's been booming, and you know, the results are absolutely fantastic on our systems, on our Pro Trading system in particular. Hope it helps, guys. That's a video on the updated results on the PTS with the FX market and what markets you can trade if you're a spread better trading US equities. Hope it helps.